Okay, can you see how great these pivots are? Look at this. The price was up here or near the red pivot here, and it started dropping. It came back up to the red, it dropped down to the green, it come back up, it come down through the green to the red, and then from the red it come back up to the green, down to the red, up to the green, and then back up to the red. All the prices worked within the boundaries of the pivot lines that we use. So how bad is that, eh? Even today, I didn't take a trade because it's Christmas, as I said in the last lesson. But if I'd have taken, when this comes through the green, if I'd have taken, saying it's going to the red, it would have been 30 pips to the red. And then, as you can see, it's hit the red and it's bounced away from the red, which is as you know from the previous lessons, that is the problem with these actual levels, are that they are now, when its price is coming up, it's a resistance line. When the price is coming down, it's at this green now, it's come down to a support line. Now if it bounces through the support line, it'll come down to the red, which becomes another support line and will probably bounce the price back up again. It just goes on and on and on. These pivot lines are absolutely wonderful, and if you look, it comes through the magic trend line, and it went on up, and now it's come back down to the magic trend line, and it's bouncing off the magic trend line. So when it was coming up here, the magic trend line was a resistance line. It broke through, but it came back down. Then it became a resistance line that it broke through, and it went through, and now it's become a support line. I mean, come on, it's a support level. Now, if it breaks through, it'll come to this support level and possibly get bounced back, either from the magic trend line or from the red pivot line. So anyway, this is just a little bit of thoughts on mine, and to show you how powerful, and I mean powerful, these pivot lines are. And here we are at the end of the day. It's gone through, here we are at the end of the day. It's gone through back down through the green, and it's come down to the red, bounced around the red once, and come back up through the red. So what I'm getting at is how brilliant these pivot lines are, in the sense that they are literally support and resistance lines. Once the price goes through it up, it becomes a support line. When it comes through it, green coming down, or coming down through the red, it becomes a resistance line, and it can be bounced back. It may or may not be bounced back, but that's the way it's. If you look from, as I just said, we come down from here, and we come all the way down to the red line here, bounces around the red line, it goes up and down between the red and the green, red and green, up and down, then it bounces through the green line, up to the red line again, then down to the green, bounces around for a minute, and then comes down to the red again, and then bounces back up, and it's possibly going to be heading this way. So it'll probably be a gap when it opens up the market again on Sunday night. You'll probably find the price will be up to start off around the green line, a green pivot line, and there'll be new pivot lines for Monday. So okay, that's about it.